Well, it's been a week since a Miami-Dade police sergeant shot a 15-year-old. Police say the teen had just been involved in a car crash and a chase. They say he was armed during a confrontation with a detective who shot him. But tonight, the teen's family is saying the details of the shooting aren't adding up. NBC6 reporter Cristian Benavides is in downtown Miami with more.
Well, we spoke to an attorney for the family of that 15-year-old. He told us that the teen is still in the hospital and has a long road ahead of him. In fact, he is partially paralyzed, according to the attorney. Now, the attorney also told us that the account that was told by police is inaccurate and that they were not justified in shooting the teenager.
Vito Corleone Venici is the 15-year-old who was shot by Miami-Dade police last week after fleeing from officers when they tried to pull him over in northwest Miami-Dade. The teen's attorney telling NBC6 police shot him while he was running away, his back turned to the officer.
Which raises question whether that shooting was justifiable. He was definitely shot from the back. The facts here says it all. He was running away from the officer. The bullet wound is actually in the back of his neck.
Venici remains in critical condition at Jackson Memorial's Ryder Trauma Center. The family attorney is casting doubt on the official version of events, whether or not the sergeant who shot the teen was justified in using deadly force, and why the teen was pulled over in the first place.
A half truth is a whole lie. We question whether the officers even had reasonable suspicion to even conduct a legal traffic stop.
The shooting took place a week ago. It happened just after midnight on Sunday the 16th. Police said detectives were patrolling the area as part of the Community Shield initiative when they attempted to conduct a traffic stop, but the driver fled. The car crashed into this fence and the occupants, including Venici, ran off. A sergeant caught up to the 15-year-old, who they say was armed, and got into a confrontation which led to the shooting.
These individuals were driving around, one, a 15-year-old driving a car, secondly, a 15-year-old armed with a handgun, an assault rifle inside of that vehicle, wanted for possession of firearms. These are individuals that clearly are up to no good.
Inside the car, an assault rifle and handgun were recovered. This second handgun was recovered near the teen. As to why he ran from police, the teen's attorney says
certain teenagers don't feel safe when they're being pulled over by police officers.
That attorney also not ruling out the possibility of filing a lawsuit against either the city or the police department. Meantime, the Florida Department of Law Enforcement is still investigating the shooting. In Miami, I'm Cristian Benavides, NBC6 News.